In its 7th year since opening, the Fiserv Forum already has a great history behind it when it comes to sustainability.
The Wilo-Stratos Giga is a major upgrade from standard inline pumps. It offers 30 to 50% energy savings, advanced motor technology, and intelligent control features.
Commissioning the Wilo-Stratos Giga was quick and efficient. The pump's intuitive display made it easy to configure the system accurately. Everything you need is built into the unit, which really streamlines the setup process.
That means lower energy consumption, easier system integration, and long-term reliability. Exactly what we need in a facility like this.
Open LEED Silver in 2018, recertified LEED Gold in 2021, and now most recently recertified LEED Platinum in operations and maintenance. We are fortunate enough to have great partners like Wilo that share commitment to energy and sustainability.